And ayan, mamaya makikita na natin sila isa-isa. Pero nandito na sila sa loob. Pero mamaya pa sila lalabas. Very malinaw. Okay. Ay, sa Atisa hindi ko pa nakikita. Sana magpakita pero wala pa siya dito. Oo, kasi baka makita kasi kapag pinakita yung hall. Pero nandito yung hall kasi. Ayan, nandito. Tapos dito mo siya makikita. Siyempre, kailangan ko meet the crown. So, ayan, nandito na kami. Ganito yung eksena ngayon sa labas. Ayan. Actually, nandito rin sila lahat. Actually, lahat kami naka-live dito. Si Atisa, si Atisa hindi ko pa nakikita. Hindi ko pa nakakita mga mi, pero pag may dumaan na dito, pag may dumaan, kasi malamang dito naman sila dadaan, makikita nyo naman sila. Hello po, Nim. Oo, makikita nyo naman sila dito mamaya pag dumaan. Live sa YTS. Ay, si Sherman. Ang nag-iisang Sherman.
Hello! May mga favorites na kayo? Kung wala pa,
Ikaw, sino bang, Sherman, sino ba yung gusto mo makita ngayon?
mga frontrunners natin. So that's what I wanna see. Baguio. Oh my God. The face is facing for Baguio. Di ba?
Oo, the face.
Totoo, me! Parang mumukaan ka talaga niya. So I really wanna see her in person. Tignan ko kung, since hindi nga siya yung parang not tall, siguro katulad ng ibang girls na mga ina-expect natin for a beauty queen. But I'm expecting na parang may mga Isabel Luce moment and Stacey Gabriel moments na kahit hindi katangkaran, stand out. Gunner.
Grabe, gusto ko yung comment mo.
Ah.
Ayan. Thank you, Sherman. Na sila actually. Okay lang. It's good. Thank you. Ito may mga dumadaan ng queens dito. Nakita ko na si Bahor, si Negros, si Butuan nakita ko na. Oo. Si Winwin, si Kat Legado, si Win, si Kat Legado, si Win. Dumaan na sila. Ayan. Marami-rami na din. Sino pa ba? Ayun. Chelsea Fernandez, hindi ko pa nakikita. Pero guys, na ano ko, nakita ko si Negros. Ang ganda niya. Ang nipis. Ito may mga damadaang queens dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino sila. Pero so far, dun sa mga hindi natin kilala, nakita ko si Negros. Ang ganda. Ang nipis ng katawan. Tsaka si Bacoor. Oh, dumaan siya. Ayun, mukhang wala nang dadaan. Pero dito, marami din dito. Tagig sikat, nakita ko. Dumaan na siya kanina. Ito, Team Laguna, si Rendel. Ito, ayan si Chelsea, ito. Ito sila. Nandito yung mga girls. Ayan si Rendel, Chelsea. Chelsea! Hello! Rendel! Siyempre, hindi ako pwedeng sumigaw dito, no? Hindi ako pwedeng sumigaw na, Chelsea! Ayan si Miss Butuan. Ayan si Miss Butuan, oh. Si Jadine. Ang ganda niya, stunning siya. Stunning si Miss Butuan in fairness. Hindi ko pa nakikita si Miss Benguet. In fairness kay Miss Butuan, stunning siya. Ang ganda niya. Si Jarina, hindi ko pa nakikita. Iliana, hindi ko pa nakikita. Hindi kasi ako pwedeng maggaralgal eh. Hindi ako pwedeng sumigaw eh. Dito lang ako, low-key lang ako sa gilid. Ay, si Atisa. Ito si Atisa. Si Atisa ba to? Ay, hindi pala. Kamukha lang pala. Ito may mga girls dito pero hindi ko kilala. Ayan. Ang labo na mata ko, hindi ko makita. Pero ito yung some of the girls. Pag may search sila, nakikita ko. Pag may search sila, kilala ko. Nandito lang ako sa gilid. Low-key ako. Hindi ako pwede sumigaw. Pero team hallway kami ni RJ. Team hallway lang kami ni RJ. Lakas mo kami si Universe Philip. Ang lakas mo kami si Universe 2024. Yung mga team hallway. Si Piang. Ang lakas maka, ano, no, Miss Universe Team Hallway. Yan. Abang-abang lang ako ng mga queen sa hallway. Dumana si Chelsea. Naka-green siya. Ito, hindi ko kilala. Ito may queen. Pero hindi ko kilala. Ito ang ganda. Miss Butuan! Miss Butuan! Miss Butuan! Miss Butuan! Ayan, ang ganda ni Miss Butuan. No? Oo. Ayan na, Miss Butuan. Ang ganda, no? Ayun. Wait lang. Ay, ayan, Zamboanga. Ayan, marami naghahanap dito kay Casey. O, ito si Miss Zamboanga. Hindi ko napipigilan ng pagkapanay ko. Napapasigaw ako, guys. Baka lumakas yung sigaw ko pag nakakita ko ng mga favorites natin. MUPH Azamis. Last year, no, ganito lang yun, no. Tapos iba na naman ngayon yung mga inaabangan natin. Hello! Ayun. Ay, ito may mga girls. Ayun si Chanel. Ito, Chanel Olive Thomas. Sorry. Chanel! Hello! Hello! O, ayan. Nakita nyo na si Miss Chanel Olive. Hanap pa tayo na ibang mga delegates. Team hallway muna tayo, guys, kasi mamaya pa naman mag-start. Pero, Miss Universe in Fever, no? May sumisigaw doon. Teka lang. May sumisigaw doon, wait.
Once again, we have our friends from GMA. And please stand by our friends from Divina Law. Oh, thank you.
Hello, guys.
Divina Law.
Hello, guys.
Next,
What's
we
up?
have, Crimson.
Marami lang tayo ng
We have
viewers.
our family from Crimson.
Pero here they are.
Up next, we have our friends from Songbox.
Who's your bet? Who's your bet? Guys, who's your bet na?
Please stand by our friends from Julmer. Again, we're going to be having our friends from
Ito ang totoong
Songbox first on
salpukan.
stage, and that's gonna be followed
Nagtabi ang totoong
by our
magsasalpukan.
Julmer family.
Rinig nyo ako? Rinig nyo ako? Everyone, rinig nyo ako? Comment lang kung rinig nyo ako. Nandun si Atisa nasa dulo. There. Rinig nyo ba ako? Guys, pasagot naman kung naririnig nyo ako.
We have our family from Julmer.
Ayan lang. And nandun si Atisa. Pero ito talaga, magsasalpukan.
And that's gonna be followed by
Nakamay kasi. Kasi Atisa nasa dulo eh. Ayun si Atiso.
Max Quay
Katrina
and
Legado.
Pablo. That is after this photo has been taken.
Win-win.
Alright, thank
Ayun si
you,
Win-win naka-green.
Silver, Max Quay and Pablo. Please, if you have a
Um,
picture on stage.
Romblon, Summer Island, Davao, San Fernando, Cebu. Guys, ang ganda din Malay Aklan. Itong Malay Aklan, ang pretty.
Street brand, we're so
Tarlac,
excited
yes. Na-amaze ako.
this year to get to unfold,
Oh.
to get to witness together
Eloisa.
Miss Universe Philippines.
Tingnan nyo si Eloisa nakatayo lang.
Alright, while I'm waiting out
Jarina
for that,
Sandu
we have
and Laguna,
our family from
Nueva Ecija. There's no Zambales. Nueva Ecija, Isabela,
That's
Laguna.
gonna be followed by our friends from Rising Dragon
And then Yana Aduana and Chelsea Fernandez. Hanapin ko si Bohol, di ko makita. Nasa dulo ata. Pero tinan niyo si Eloisa sa likod. Takad ni Eloisa. Oo. Pero yung isang Laguna, para mas maganda yung styling sa akin. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin. Win-win. Win-win! Win-win!
Thank you so much for our family from Wuling. Do we have our friends from
Ilan lahat? 69.
Rising and Buddha Life?
69 mga mi eh. Favorite number. Nandun si Atisa nasa likod. Ayun o. Atisa is there. Parang parang preliminaries na, no? Parang preliminaries. Tingnan niyo si Tarlac. Nag-shine din siya sa akin. Sa Tarlac, ang ganda niya, oh. Nandun lang siya sa gilid. Tarlac, Taguig. Oh, Isabela, Laguna. Huwag kayong ano-ano. Huwag kayong ano-ano kay Laguna. Angkat, Queenly. Ang Queenly niya.
That's gonna be followed by Mr. T and Densha.
Ito dalawa. Nakadata lang ako mga Mi. Nakadata lang ako.
Please stand by our culture salon family.
Romblon. Yung iba nasa likod kasi. Nasa likod kasi yung iba.
Alright, our culture salon.
Ang liit ng waistline niya, tapos napaliit palalo nung kanyang suot. Win-win.
I think this time we are ready for Bank Square and
Mamaya lalapit tayo pag pag rumble na. Kasi may photo open.
Dear partners or sponsors, to ready yourselves. We're all in the hall. I guess we're going to be
Nakakawit
going
na
through
ako.
all of you in this list. So make sure that you are on standby already.
Next activity, syempre wala pang announcement. Wala pang announcement sa next activity mga Mi. Mamaya magla-live tayo eh. Ifugao. Nakita nyo na ba yung representation ng Ifugao? Hindi ko na makita yung iba, nasa likod na. Mamaya, lalapit tayo sa kanila. Yun. Guys, I'm back. Bakit? Ha?
Balik na.
Hello! I'm back. So ano na? Ano nang balita mga pageant fans? Kumusta?
Our dear friends from the media, we ask you guys to please settle down already and probably wait at the foyer where the ladies are going to be in a very short while.
Saan yung
We're
foyer?
beginning our orientation at this moment, so please help us out and make sure that we already alight the stage. And we're going to be seeing you right
Iba to?
outside at the foyer.
Foyer doon. Ay, sorry. RJ, wala
all
ka.
our friends from the media to please vacate the hall already. We're going to be beginning our orientation. We'll see you right outside at the foyer. The ladies will be out after the orientation. Thank you.
Guys, mag-orientation lang sila. Mag-orientation lang sila, pero lalabas tayo. Dito ba yung pila? Pipila lang.
Dito naman tayo sa sikat sa TikTok na si Carly Yola, ang kauna-unahang pageant guru, Charis. Yeah. So, Carl, as of now, sa na-witness natin kanina dyan, sino-sino ang iyong top 5?
Pwede ba?
5.
I'll go with my mythical 5 pa din. Chelsea Fernandez, Atisa Manalo, Iliana Aduana, Winwin Marquez, and Caterina Legado. Pero sa mga sa mga newbies natin, I'll go for Eloisa, syempre Jarina Sandu, and may isa akong nabetan, Malay Aklan.
Ay, ang ganda niya. Yes.
Ayun siguro hindi nyo akalain na sasama siya sa listahan, no? And Tarlac also, may aray siya sa akin. Syempre nandiyan din si Benguet, Albay dahil nga pangbungad siya ng show eh. Tsaka yun lang muna so far, hindi ko na matandaan yung iba, RJ.
Oo, 5 lang, di ba? So, yun, thank you, Carly Yola.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Yana Isabel Maranan, representing Batangas. So actually, I'm a culinary student at De La Salle College of St. Benilde and I'm graduating. And for me, I'm advocating for zero hunger and also good health because it's something that I'm really passionate about, especially since hunger is something that is tackled when you're in the culinary industry. And something that you might not know about me is that I really like to listen to rap songs. That's something that you would find unusual because I look someone so demure. So that's a little fun fact about me.
Si Anis. Aura-aura ka muna.
Tapos lakad ka pa din.
Yan. Hallway edition tayo.
Walk po.
Hello, Universe. This is Natnumi Berdan Sakiguchi representing Bacoor City. Fun fact about me, I love cars and I'm a founder of an all-female car club.
Hi everyone, my name is Tyra Ray Florita Goldman. I am 23 and I am representing Bohol. I am a American Filipina who grew up mostly in Cebu, but my family resides in Bohol currently. My favorite fun fact to say out loud is that I have a 100-kilo dog who I bring with me everywhere, and my favorite thing in the world is sweets and chocolate, so don't bring that near me because I will eat them most of the time.
Aura-aura, be. Aura ka. Basta Bisaya, sure, mag-picture mo kami. Oriented yun. Siya ba?
Hello, everyone. This is Juliana Akut Versado from the city of Majestic Waterfalls, Iligan City.
Hello, this is Jadine Banagan, representing the Timber City of the South, Butuan City.
Hello everyone, I am Sasha Lacuna and I'm representing Tarlac Province. So a fun fact about me is lumaki pa ako sa farm, and although that fact, I'm an aspiring future IT professional.
Gorgeous! Go, Bingat! And get the crown. Gorgeous queen! Meron naman. Pali. Bulaga. Okay, where did we go? I am the woman, 'cause I got the power. Picture. One, one, go na. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Hello everyone, we're now here with Iliana Maria Aduana, Miss Universe Philippines Senior Loan Laguna. So Yana, first of all, thank you so much dahil ayun nga, nadinig mo ang mga kahilingan ng mga pageant panays na sumali ka for this year's edition of the Miss Universe Philippines. So one time, nag-post ako dun sa TikTok ko at alam ko, nakita mo yon kasi nag-reply ka dun. So ano yung pakiramdam nung nabanggit ko yon na ikaw yung hinaantay namin for this year?
You know, right now, I can just faithfully say na I was listening all along and I heard you all. And I am basically here because of you all. And I'm fueled by all of your love and warmth and support. And one thing that I can do to give back to all of you is to just do my best every day. And I hope to make you all proud as I venture into this new journey. You know, it's actually my fourth year in pageantry, I think, since I started in 2021. No,
Yeah.
Fourth year and my fifth pageant. So exciting, brand new journey, brand new people to meet, new networks, new connections, and new sisters as well. Very beautiful, all of them.
Yes, syempre, abangan namin yan. And last message sa mga fans na nag-root sa'yo for this edition.
Hello po! Hello Pilipinas! Hello Universe! This is Eliana Aduana, Miss Universe Philippines, Sinaloan, Laguna. And unang-una, syempre, gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo. Thank you sa'yo for always being so supportive. I always see you on TikTok po. And I listen to you as well. Nakakatuwa siya. And of course, to everybody out there supporting me and giving me all the love that you can give me. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal po kayong lahat. And I'm gonna make you proud.
Yes, thank you so much, Eliana, and good luck.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Yana, last
Kuya
love.
Carlo Ros.
Carlo Yola.
Carlo Yola.
Pag-greet naman, Ken Soteo. Hi, Ken Soteo.
Ken Soteo.
Oo.
Ay, sorry, he pala.
Hey, Ken Soteo. Eliana Aduana here, Miss Universe Philippines, Sinaloan, Laguna. Hello sa inyo. Mwah.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Miss Universe Philippines Angeles City,
Hello.
Pampanga. So, yeah, introduce yourself first.
Hi everyone, my name is Ira De Castro. I'll be representing Angeles City in the national stage.
Yeah, and she's the first runner-up in the recently
Oh, yes.
concluded Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga.
That's correct.
So, anong pakiramdam na nandito ka na ngayon sa Nationals?
Oh my God, grabe, because this is my first time actually on a big stage in the national pageant. So I'm excited, nervous, scared at the same time, but we got this. I'm very excited.
Yes, para sa mga Team Pampanga dyan, message sa Team Pampanga at sa mga nag-aabang ngayon kay Miss Angeles.
Yes, well, Team Pampanga, Team Angeles, thank you so much for supporting me and Doctora so far. I hope that you continue to support us, and I hope that we can make you all proud on the national stage.
Yes, thank you and good luck.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, mga pageant fans. I'm with Zoe and she's representing the city of Naga for Miss Universe Philippines 2024. So Zoe, kwento ka naman about sa'yo para sa ating mga followers.
So, ako ay isang US Navy veteran. So, 3.5 years ako na nag-active duty sa US Navy. Married din ako. And I have 8 tattoos.
Yeah, so kwento ka naman about your tattoos and I love the fact na hindi mo siya talaga tinakpan. Itong silent
Yes.
tinakpan mo yung wala. So kwento mo naman yung story about that.
So, quick story lang. Dito kasi, dragon siya. So, I was born in the year of the dragon. Tsaka peonies is my favorite flower. Ito naman, gumamela because that's my mom's favorite flower. Ito, si Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen, my favorite anime character. This is my dog. This is my cat. And this is my best friend and I's initials.
Yes, ang dami naman. By the way, is this your first national pageant ba?
Yes, and second pageant overall in my whole life.
So ang layo from beauty pageant to US Navy.
Yes.
So anong connect, anong relevance? Bakit mo naisipan mag-pageantry ngayon?
Honestly kasi I was only supposed to be staff for the Miss Universe Philippines Virginia pageant. Nag-volunteer ako as staff to like take down and bring up stuff, di ba? But the friend said, just join na, you never know what will happen. And then I won. And then now I'm here. And honestly kasi I feel like discipline is really important, especially in the military then. And that's the common denominator between the military and pageants. Kaya yun, I'm here.
Yeah, so guys, here's Zoe. So Zoe, you're 69 dito sa pageant. So ano yung papakita na kakaiba ni Zoe for this edition?
Honestly, I feel like kasi I'm the only candidate na very openly about my tattoos. And I have no choice kasi it's on my arm, it's a whole sleeve, di ba? So, kaya eto, hindi ko siya itatago as much as possible, but we do have sponsored shoots and everything. So, we'll see. But I personally want to advocate for people that think of tattoo as an art and want to join beauty pageants as well and or is not afraid to show it to the world. No, well, to the universe.
Of course. Last message sa ating mga viewers, especially yung mga nasa TikTok.
So thank you po so much for everyone who watched it live or on live stream. And also, please keep supporting every single candidate here. And I hope that we have a harmonious pageant. And keep watching Carlo.
Yes, thank you so much, Zoe. And sa mga viewers natin, I hope na supportahan natin si Zoe for this year's edition of the Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go. Swap.
I am the woman, and I am the power. So now that you get. Okay ka na?
Go.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Diretso uwi.
At syempre pa si TikTok pageant guru Carl Loyola.
And I'm your TikTok pageant guru, Carl Loyola.